How to use cause-related marketing. Cause marketing involves a collaboration between a for-profit business and a non-profit organization. In an age where transparency is vital to their bottom line, businesses are realizing that consumers are concerned with their impact on society. Consumers expect brands to be socially responsible. 70% of consumers want to know how brands are addressing social and environmental issues. 46% of consumers pay close attention to a brand's actions. One solution businesses are pursuing is cause marketing. Cause marketing involves a collaboration between a for-profit business and a non-profit organization for a common benefit. Cause marketing can also refer to social or charitable campaigns put on by for-profit brands. Typically, a brand's association with a non-profit will boost their corporate social responsibility. The non-profit, in exchange for their ethical contributions to the collaboration, creates more awareness for their organization. As new generations bring in new values, businesses must learn to pivot their strategies in order to keep up. Businesses that care about sustainability and ethics are at the top of consumers' lists, and cause marketing can help bring a business's social responsibility to their customers' attention. Benefits of cause marketing. Cause marketing increases brand awareness and exposure for the nonprofit partner. Since nonprofits typically have a limited budget for marketing, getting a small business or corporation to partner with them can help get information about their efforts and their cause out in front of consumers they might not otherwise reach. However, there are also huge benefits to the corporate partner. Fulfilling the demand for corporate social responsibility. Improving their corporate image. Building a relationship with the community. Increasing brand loyalty. Boosting employee morale. Standing out from the competition. Building a successful cause marketing campaign. A successful cause marketing campaign can bring many benefits, from generating new leads to creating loyalty and trust among your customers. Done properly, cause marketing will help both your business and your nonprofit partner. It's important to make a strategic marketing plan before launching your campaign to ensure that both parties will get the most out of the collaboration. Identify your cause. A cause marketing campaign should reflect the values of your company and your customers. While there are examples of successful partnerships between organizations with nothing obvious in common, cause marketing will come off as more genuine if the cause is related to your brand in some way. Knowing your audience and constructing a campaign around their values will not only help the nonprofit you are involved with, but will also increase loyalty to your brand. Additionally, your employees will be more willing to participate if it's something they believe in. Their passion will show through their work, enhancing the outcomes for the nonprofit. Determine your contribution. Monetary contributions aren't the only way companies can help a cause. Often money isn't enough to convince consumers, and monetary gifts can seem disingenuous or even lazy. Furthermore, many small businesses might not have the budget to write a large check. Luckily, businesses and marketing departments have more to offer than just money. Video services for charity functions. Direct mail campaigns. Email marketing campaigns. Event planning. Photography for social media. Advertising campaign ideas. Copywriting for print and social media. Donations of products and services. Volunteer groups from your company. These services can help form a strong association between your products and your company's nonprofit work. However, even monetary support can be funded in a variety of ways. For example, your company could create a promotion that donates a certain amount to a nonprofit for every sale you make on a specific product or service. Involve your audience. Your audience can be a driving force in your cause marketing campaign if you let them. By using social media or creating a custom-built landing page, you can motivate your audience to participate in many ways. Donating to the cause. Sharing your social media posts to spread awareness. Interacting with your nonprofit partners. Participating in an event. Using customer relationship management (CRM) software can help you pursue the right audience for your cause marketing while raising awareness for your nonprofit partners. It can also help ensure you follow up and create personalized messages of gratitude and appreciation. Making your audience feel involved will give them a sense of responsibility, as 96% of people feel their own actions can make a difference. Messaging and outreach that validates these feelings can be a great way to drive engagement. Co-promote with a nonprofit. The campaign will likely get more traction if both you and your nonprofit partner are promoting it. Tag each other in social media posts. Announce your affiliation in a newsletter. Send a joint press release to news outlets. Write blog posts about the experience. Use each other's logos in marketing campaigns. Strategizing with your nonprofit partner can help ensure both of you will get the most out of the partnership. Some of the most successful cause marketing campaigns developed omni-channel marketing strategies to increase awareness and exposure. Marketing automation can help you strategize by freeing you of the repetitive tasks of posting to social media or sending emails. Cause-related marketing examples. As more consumers are holding companies accountable for social responsibility, businesses have created successful campaigns through partnerships with nonprofits. Yoplait Save Lids to Save Lives. Yoplait created the Save Lids to Save Lives campaign to raise money for the Susan G. Komen Foundation's fight against breast cancer. They made some of their yogurt lids pink and encouraged people to send them in to raise 10 cents each. Yoplait leveraged the national popularity of the Susan G. Komen race for the cure and supported the initiative with paid and earned media. It even extended to other General Mills brands, including Cheerios, Nature Valley, and Betty Crocker. All in all, the campaign raised $26 million. Red Nose Day and Walgreens. A collaboration between Red Nose Day and Walgreens raises money for children in poverty. The iconic red noses are available for purchase at Walgreens during the annual 6-week campaign, and customers are encouraged to take pictures and wear them to other Red Nose Day fundraising events. The campaign uses the power of social media marketing to generate awareness from celebrities and other influencers, and the proceeds are donated directly to the foundation. Buy a Pair, Give a Pair by Warby Parker. Warby Parker continues to partner with various healthcare and medical organizations to donate glasses to those in need. They also teach their nonprofit partners how to administer basic eye exams and give vision-impaired children free glasses so they can continue their education more easily. They have paired with businesses like Vision Spring and created programs like Pupils Project to provide free vision screenings and eye exams to school children. Through these partnerships, Warby Parker has reached people in more than 50 countries. Purposeful Cause Marketing Campaign. This campaign is a collaboration between Arby's and Share Our Strength, a nonprofit that helps feed children in America. Purposeful is a point-of-sale campaign, which means customers are asked to donate when they buy a product from Arby's. By donating $1, customers can provide food for 10 meals. The low donation amount allows customers to focus on the support. So far, Arby's has raised over $15 million for the campaign. Businesses are held accountable by their customers, and many choose to participate in corporate social responsibility campaigns. Consumers are more aware of business practices today than ever before and care about where their money goes. By choosing corporate social responsibility, businesses can align their goals with helping make the world a better place.